That is vinegar for audio control and audio, I don't know how to call it. And I am using Omo, which was my last powder, and I am going to supplement it with sunlight powder. So in the sunlight powder, I went to the shops. By the day I went to the shops, I got Sunlight Auto, and as I always mention, I always buy whatever the product that is cheaper at the time of doing shopping. So I was not even aware that a Sunlight is an auto. So I just picked up the pack and went. When I arrived home, that's when I saw it's an auto powder. So I used it in hand washing, and yeah, guys, it's for the machine. It's for the machine. It had left some granules. It doesn't dissolve, I must say, or yeah, using it with the hand washing, it leaves some marks on the clothes. So it's strictly for washing machine, I think. So I was washing some bedding, and together with some sheets. I always wash my fitted sheet every week, and this comforter I wash it as and when I see it's no longer relevant. So my first load was consisting of the bedding and a few of the whites. I had 3 loads, I think. So yeah, that is the day. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for considering to stay longer on the video, and I hope you're going to enjoy this kind of content. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and positively comment down below. So I was sorting out the remaining of the laundry and creating some space. As you can see, that was a passage whereby people do pass by now and then, going to the garage to take some things, and yeah, the door is next to the garage door, and they always pass there. As for the kids, they like playing the football right on the passage. So on everyday basis, on daily or weekly laundry, I use Stay Soft lavender fragrance, which it smells so good. So thank you for joining me today. Let's enjoy today's laundry. So one may ask, why do I mix the products, different brands? Really, I do not have a problem of mixing them, because I use them on my weekly basis. If it's not Omo, it's Sunlight or Surf sometimes. But my products really is Omo and Sunlight on a regular basis. So yeah, I don't mind using them, because they really do my washing so perfectly, and I really love them. Did I see the difference in auto and the normal one for the hand wash? Yes, I did, especially in terms of the whites, whereby the male vest, guys, vests absorb sweat in most of the cases, especially on the underarms. They change color, and yeah, I saw a little bit of a difference. They came out very nice, whiter than before. Sometimes I do soak them in, after 2 washes, I soak them in a bleach with soap for at least 3 hours, maximum 3 hours, then wash them with hands and put them there, so that I can remove those things, that the marks under the arms. But this time I saw the difference, that those marks under them, without me bleaching or doing anything, they came out so well and perfectly so. So whether the day is hot, hotter, hottest, or whatever the weather is, I do prefer spinning dry my clothes because they really saves me time. They don't spend a lot of time on the washing line, especially that it's a twin tap. It dries like dry perfectly. So you can, some of the things, some of the items, you can take them from the machine straight to the iron if you are an ironing person, and then put them in the wardrobe. But I like putting them on the washing line so that they can get some breeze air, then they completely dry, and it saves me time. I can even fold it right on the same day and put it away.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
This video was actually recorded last year during holiday seasons. As you can see, I was even dancing to the music that I was playing. I was playing Nigerian music all the time and my volume was high from the car. I've spent a lot of time with my son and we had a great time together. I was even afraid that at the time of going to school, he will say, no, mommy, I'm not going, or I want to spend some time with you, or whatsoever. But he is a grown boy now. As I'm recording this video is today as I'm going to publish it. So that's why I am saying, and he is not giving me a problem going to school because they are already going to school. So my rest of the holidays I was with the son. The daughter said, no, I am not coming. I'll just come one day and visit you. And she even slept once on the 31st of December, and I was grateful that we have spent a time or crossed over together as a family. So yeah, my holidays were super together with my son.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Thank you for joining me in today's video. Thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Because this is great content and I am giving you motivation. So from me to you, I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Please finish off the remaining minutes of the video.